36, 12 homers, 44 driven in. First pitch of the game misses outside, ball one. We roll just a couple of minutes later. Prospect, according to MLB.com. The 1-0 is low. 2 ball, 3. 0 for 4. He walked and he struck out twice a night ago. Abel with a 2-0. Strike on the outside edge. Hammond is the crew chief. He's at third. The pitch. Bounce to second. Valade shuffles to his left to field it. Throws on to first in time for out number 1. Umpires brought to you by VisionWorks, your official local eye care provider for Navigato. RBIs 31 and 32 with Toledo on the year. Cruz stops at second as Rodriguez played it in quickly from left.
Aspects of life, that is.
1si.org to check it all out. First pitch to Lee. Slow bouncer toward third. A fair ball as Stewart charges in to field it. Steps on the bag, and that ends the inning.
The right-hander brings the 0-2. And a hard ground ball to third. Handled there by Lee. He'll go the short way to Young, the second baseman. They get the force out. Here is 93. And he did that back in the middle of June. 1 strike to Lee. The pitch. That one is low. 1 ball. 7 innings, the longest he's gone in a game this year. Expect the Tigers chain. The pitch. Ball down at Toledo leading 3-1. The pitch. Foul back. The pitch. Over but low for ball 4. So Lee draws the walk. He's on base for the first time tonight. It's the 3rd walk for Abel. Akil Baddoo will come up there with Connor Phillips
tonight. 3-1 to Joe. Chop toward third. Fielded on a short out by the third baseman. Lead a second one. On to first. Double play. 5-4-3. And that ends the inning. First one from Phillips. Curls over the inside edge for a strike. Never compromising integrity for mass production. Always drink responsibly. Only have one. Swing 2. The 0-2. Low. A ball and 2 strikes. Bottom of the 7th in Norfolk. Rochester Red Wings for Durham. The 1-2. A little bit inside, started to go to the lead. Late off. Buffalo defeated the Woo Sox 5-3. The pitch, a swing and a miss. Lee gone on strikes. Third. Here's a swing and a ground ball to third. Fielded by Lee. Throws to first in time. 2 outs.
0 for 3 with a walk. Right-handed batter. First pitch from Richardson. Misses out. Bristol recalled. Extra pitcher was able to join the Reds. And the pitch. A ball. 3. The pitch. Strike 3-1. The 3-1. It misses outside. Ball 4. So not the greatest of starts here in the 8th inning for Richardson. Gives up the hard hit bottom. The pitch. And a hard ground ball to the right of the shortstop, out of the reach of Levi Jordan, out in the left center field. 1 run will score. Big turn at first by an infielder. Runner from first bluffs ago. Malloy swings, hits one towards center. That's going to fall for a base hit. A run will score. Lee from third trots home. Down to second safely is Baddoo.
Another 1-2. Ground ball wide of third. Lee fields it, fires to second in time to force Benson. And that'll do it. The Hens win for the 17th straight time against the Bats. They've won the first 5 games of this series. They win it tonight by the final score.